Welcome to the Hagen YouTube channel, where we explore the most intriguing places on Earth. Today, we are diving into one of the world's greatest archaeological mysteries, the Nazca Lines in Peru. Get ready for 10 hidden facts that will leave you wondering about these ancient geoglyphs. Fact 1. The discovery. The Nazca Lines were largely unknown to the outside world until they were spotted from the air in the 1920s by pilots flying over Peru. The scale and scope of these massive geoglyphs became apparent only from the sky, sparking interest and intrigue. Fact 2. The ancient origins. The lines are believed to have been created by the Nazca culture between 500 BCE and 500 CE. That's over 1,500 years ago. Yet, their purpose remains one of the biggest mysteries in archaeology. Fact 3. The variety of geoglyphs. Did you know there are over 800 straight lines, 300 geometric shapes, and about 70 animal and plant figures among the Nazca lines? Some of the most famous figures include the hummingbird, monkey, and condor. How did they achieve such precision? Fact 4. The mysterious techniques. Creating these massive drawings required meticulous planning and measurement. The Nazca people removed the top layer of reddish pebbles to reveal the lighter soil beneath. But how did they keep the lines so straight and the proportions so perfect? That's the million-dollar question. Fact 5. The astronomical theories. One theory suggests that the Nazca lines align with astronomical events, such as solstices and equinoxes. This has led some researchers to believe that the lines were used as a kind of astronomical calendar. Is there a hidden celestial code? Fact 6. The religious significance. Another popular theory is that the lines had religious significance, possibly related to water and fertility rituals. Some lines point to sources of water, which were crucial in the arid Nazca desert. Could the figures represent offerings to ancient gods? Fact 7. The environmental challenges. The Nazca desert is one of the driest places on Earth, with very little rainfall. This unique environment has helped preserve the lines for centuries. But climate change and human activity now threaten their preservation. A modern challenge to an ancient mystery. Fact 8. Theories of alien contact. No discussion of the Nazca lines is complete without mentioning the wild theories about extraterrestrial involvement. Some suggest the lines were created as landing strips for ancient aliens. While there's no evidence to support this, it sure adds to the intrigue. Fact 9. Modern technology and discoveries. Thanks to modern technology like drones and satellite imagery, new lines are still being discovered. In 2020, archaeologists found a new geoglyph depicting a large cat. This shows that there's still much to learn about the Nazca lines. Fact 10. The cultural legacy. The Nazca lines were designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1994, recognizing their cultural significance. The lines continue to captivate and inspire people from all over the world, reminding us of the enduring mysteries of ancient civilizations. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the Nazca lines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more explorations of the world's hidden wonders. Leave a comment with your thoughts on the Nazca lines or other mysterious places you'd like us to explore. Until next time, stay curious.